This is the basic stuff that all cars are made of. What makes a difference is the way a car is put together. The way the new Honda Civic's been built will make your eyes pop out. This class of car has never seen double wishbone suspension. Until today, built without cutting corners, it helps you corner better. This bit gave the crusher real trouble. Tough new roll bar, reinforcing the rear. No scrimping here either. The doors meet 1997 US side impact standards already. Half an engine. But no problem. VTEC is the most economical system in its class. But open her up, and there's all the performance you need. All cars are made from this. But in the end, not all are built like this.
Honda, built without compromise.